So guys, we are going to be designing this particular remote control today using Solidworks, just like the one you have at home. And we are going to be adding all these colors and designs. So let's get started. Press Ctrl N as usual. Say OK. Now come right here to your front plane, click Sketch, and then center rectangle. Say OK. Now add smart dimension of from here to here, 167 millimeters. Everything has to be in mmgs, and this also has to be that's to be 45. Okay. Now add an extrusion distance of 7 millimeters. 7 millimeters. Say OK. Now come right here. Now come right here to reference geometry. Click plane, and then first reference is going to be this particular one, and then the distance is going to be 3 millimeters. Say OK. Now come right here and let's view normal to. Okay. Now come right here and to sketch, click on convert entities, and then you're going to be converting this. Say OK. Now say click this particular plane and click sketch. Offset entities is going to be this 10 millimeters in the opposite direction. Say OK. And you can add fillets of 3 millimeters right here, this, and lastly this. Say OK. And say OK. Now you can hide this particular plane. Click hide. Now come right here to features and click on fillets. Add a fillet of 3 millimeters to this particular edge here. Let's add 3 millimeters. Say 3 millimeters to that edge there. And to this 3 millimeters. Also to this 3 millimeters. And to this also 3 millimeters. Say OK. Now you have that already. Now come right here to lofted boss base, and then click the profiles you're going to click. You're going to be clicking this, and also you're also going to be clicking this. So you have that already. So you can see you have something that looks like I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a few edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more like an octagon right on top of that base. Now come right to this particular face, say to normal. But there's something that we forgot to do. Come right here to fillets, come right here to features, and click on fillet. Now click this particular surface, this particular edge, and clear selections. Click this edge and this edge. Make 3 millimeters. Okay, good. So you have that. That should be 1 millimeters. Let's edit our fillets. Edit fillets. That should be 1 millimeters. 1 and say OK. So you have that already. Now come right here to this particular face and say normal to. Then sketch. Center rectangle, corner rectangle, and draw your corner rectangle and let it go this way. Okay. Now pick up this particular corner rectangle and this particular point right here and make relationship coincident. Okay. As you can see, how it's coincident like that. Also, this particular line and this one and this edge here make relationship collinear. Okay, say OK. Also, this edge and this edge make relationship collinear. Say OK. As you can see, it says fully defined. So come right here to 3-point arc. Pick up this edge. Pick up this edge. And pick up this edge. We are looking for a center. Once you see some sketches, okay, this is exactly the center. Then come right here to smart dimension. From here straight down here. Smart dimension. From here to here is going to be 8 millimeters. Say OK. And then you can come, delete this smart dimension from here to here, 8 millimeters. Yes, OK. Say OK. Now come right here to trim entities and then trim this particular top. Say OK. Then come right here to features and say extrude boss base. And the opposite direction of 70 millimeters. Say 70 millimeters. Control A and then type 70. Say OK. So you have that already. So you can see starting to look like your actual remote control. But then we have to also come right here to fillets and pick up this particular edge. Also 3 millimeters. This should be 3 millimeters. And this particular other edge, this one. Say OK. Okay, so you can see you have a smooth edge right over there. Now pick this particular surface, click on sketch, and come right here to 3-point arc. It should be 3-point arc that runs from here straight down here. Also, another one that runs from here straight down here. Now smart dimension from here to here. That's a smart dimension of 5 millimeters. And from here, say OK. Now pick from here, still on smart dimension, right to this particular edge. Smart dimension. Say from here to here. This is going to be 10 millimeters. And say OK. Now come right here to extrude cut, features, extrude cuts. And in the opposite direction, direction 2, up to vertex. And the vertex is going to be this particular one. Up to vertex, click this particular edge here, say okay, edge 1, and then you have your cut that actually looks like that. So that is, you can see you're starting to have something that looks like your actual remote control. So let's continue what we're doing. Now come right to fillets and pick this particular edge right over here and click add a fillet to it, fillet option to it. Okay. Now come right here, click on sketch, and now let's sketch on it. So we're going to be designing our buttons, center rectangle. Say okay, smart dimension from here right here to here, it's going to be 22. 22. Also from here, this is going to be 10 millimeters, if I'm right, yes. 10 millimeters, and this is going to be 5 millimeters. It's going to be 5 millimeters. Say okay, so that is what we have. Okay. Now there is one thing that we have to do: pick up this particular line, this particular dot, and this center right here, and make relationship vertical. Okay. And see it says fully defined. And from here, okay, we have 2 millimeters, 10 millimeters. Okay, this is going to be. Edit this to be 5 millimeters. Say 5 millimeters. Say okay. Now come right here to linear sketch pattern, X direction, and this is going to be 14 millimeters. And then pick up this particular line. Say okay. Okay. In case that particular option does not work for you, come right here to center rectangle, and let's draw it again. Okay. So pick this and this. Make relationship collinear, and also make relationship equal. Also pick this and this, make relationship pick this and this, make relationship equal. Now if you check the dimensions, you can see this is going to be okay, let's add this one is going to be 10, just like that, and this is going to be 5. Okay, so press cancel. This is going to be 5, and okay, smart dimension from here down straight to here, make it 14. So for your smart dimension, from this center right to this center, it should be 14. Say okay, click that. Now let's click on mirror entities, mirror this, and this. Mirror about this particular line. Okay, before we mirror, let's add a few things so it can make things easy for us. Look for the center of this and the center of this. Draw an arc and say okay. Now come right here to trim entities, trim all this and trim it away. Now for this particular dimension of okay, click OK. Now this particular 14, come right here to smart dimension. It should be from here straight down here. That you should have your 14. Okay, it's already 14. So you have 14 millimeters. And what else do we need? Now come right here to center line. Draw your center line. Pick up your center line and draw it straight down here. Now come right here to mirror entities. We're going to be mirroring the whole of this. Mirror about this point. So you say okay. So you can see you already have three buttons right about this particular point. Now let's click on linear sketch pattern and come right here to now make this one, and then come right here to y-axis. So I'm going to be increasing this to 3, make it 3, and then entities to pattern, pick this, and pick this also. So you have that already. So you can see you already have like set of about 9 buttons if I'm right. Now come right here to circle and draw a circle. Excuse me. Draw a circle right about here, and add a smart dimension of 7. That's diameter of 7 millimeters. Say okay. Now pick up this particular point and add it to this edge of the circle. Now add smart dimension of 8 millimeters. From here straight down here, it's going to have a smart dimension of 8 millimeters. Now you already have 7, you have 8. Now come right here again and draw another circle. And also add a smart dimension of 7 millimeters. This has a dimension of 7 millimeters. And pick up your center line, that runs from here straight down here. Now let's delete the center line, let's pick up our point tool and add the points right here. Also now come right here and pick up your center line that runs from here straight down here. Smart dimension of also 7 millimeters, 8 millimeters, also 8 millimeters. And also draw a center line from the middle of this particular one, okay. Then come right here to the straight slot 2 and draw a straight slot, center point straight slots, okay. So you can see at an angle of 90 degrees, you have to be very careful when drawing it. I'm no longer at 90 degrees, okay. I'm currently at 90 degrees. Now spread it wide, okay. Now add a smart dimension. This is going to have a smart dimension of 13. 13.0, exactly 13. And also from here to here is going to be this. From here to here is going to have a smart dimension of 22. And also from here to here it's going to have a smart dimension of 7. Okay, so now to add a fill relation, pick up this particular line and this particular point and make relationship midpoints. As you can see, so you have it at your midpoint. And also, now let's click on mirror entities to mirror, mirror about this particular line. Let's zoom out. So you have that already. So you have that. Now to edit what we did earlier, this particular 8 should be 5. Make it 5. And also the smart dimension, now pick this particular one and click delete. That particular center line, click delete. Now the smart dimension runs from here down to here. It is 13. And also same thing runs from here straight down here. Okay, I think there's an error somewhere. Cancel. Press Ctrl Z. Say okay, I think we are fine the way we had earlier. Let's make this 16. 16. Okay, so I believe we are good to go. What else do we need? So let's continue. Pick up your circle tool and draw a circle that looks like this. Now pick up the point tool and place a point right here and come right here to smart dimension. The distance between this point and this point, make it 5 millimeters. That's 5 millimeters. And also come right here to this particular edge and about this particular point, draw a circle. Add a smart dimension of 12 millimeters. Add a smart dimension of 12 millimeters. Also another circle. Draw another circle. And also add a smart dimension of 30 millimeters. Or 20 millimeters, sorry. This should be 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters. And also another circle. Smart dimension of 30 millimeters. Smart dimension of 30 millimeters. Now pick up your center line. Let your center line run like this, straight at an angle. Hey, sorry, that was not at an angle of 90 degrees. You have to be very careful. Pick the exact angle. Okay, 90 degrees, good. Also, our same center line runs from here. This is 180 degrees, good. And also, same center line. It now has to be at an angle of 45 degrees. Now, let's add smart dimension. Smart dimension, say, between this and this. That has to be 45 degrees. You can see it's 43 degrees. Now, we're looking for 45 degrees. Type in 45 degrees. Say, okay. Now, let's pick up the now pick up the offset entities tool, and this is going to be 2 millimeters. Entities to offset it is going to be this, and make it bidirectional. Say okay. So you have that already. Now come right here to trim entities. Sorry. Yes, trim entities, and then trim this, the whole of this. Power trim. Trim this. Trim the whole of this. Trim the whole of this. Trim everything outside here, and also trim everything inside here. Say okay. Now, so let's pick up from where we stopped. Now come right here to circular sketch pattern. Parameters, pick up this particular point that is at the middle. And also entities to pattern, pick this, and also, yeah, that is what we are going to be making a pattern of. Now come right here to trim entities. Trim entities, power trim, of course power trim, and trim right through the middle, trim right through the middle, trim right through the middle, also trim right through the middle, trim right, trim this, and say okay. So you see we are starting to have something that actually looks like a remote control. Come right here, mirror entities, mirror this, mirror about. It's going to be about this particular point. Say okay. Now smart dimension, between this and this, we want to have a dimension of 33. So you can see you have something that looks almost perfect. Also, come right here to mirror entities again. Entities to mirror, pick this particular one, and this particular one, mirror about, I'm going to mirror about this particular center line. Say okay. So you can see you have a couple of buttons already. You have about 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You have about 22 buttons already, and I feel that's starting to look like a remote control. Now, come right here to pick up corner rectangle. Yeah, your corner rectangle, and draw this. Something that looks like this. Let's zoom out. And then smart dimension. This is going to have a smart dimension of 7 here. It's going to be 7, and this is going to be 5. This is going to be 5. Say 5, okay. And then you have smart dimension from here, say straight down to this particular point. Sorry. Okay, so from here, pick this edge and this line. You should have 1.50 as the distance, as equivalent distance at that particular point. Say okay. Now come right here to linear sketch pattern. I don't know why this particular function is not always working for me, but let's try this time around. And entities to pattern is going to be this. Okay, sorry. Now it's working along the y direction. Let's see if it's going to work along the x direction. X direction. Let's make this okay. And then you have smart dimension, say 10 millimeters. Okay, well, it actually works. I'm surprised. So let's come right here. I tried to do it again. I'm trying to do it again. 2 and entities to pattern is going to be this. And then let's make this 9 millimeters. 9 millimeters. Say okay. Wow, it actually works. I'm surprised. Now let's draw a 3-point arc that runs from the center here to this particular point and also to the middle. Now come right here to trim entities and trim all these off. Trim this off also. Say okay. Now click on mirror entities. Entities to mirror is going to be this and this. And mirror about this. So you have exactly that particular dimension. But I feel this dimension is too small. I think I'll be adding a little bit of distance in between. I'm very sure from here to here is going to be 9 millimeters. Okay, this is 10. So let's edit that. Sorry, let's press Ctrl Z and we do whatever it is that we've actually done. Okay, pick this, click delete, pick this, click delete, and also pick this, click delete. I want us to do something. Linear sketch pattern, it should be 10 millimeters and should be this. Okay, say okay. Now let's mirror entities. Entities to mirror is going to be this, and also mirror about. We are going to mirror about this particular line. Say okay. Now good. I think I'm satisfied with what I have here. Now sketch this. Say okay. Now trim entities, trim this off. Say okay. Now pick this and click delete. And I think mirror entities, mirror this, mirror about this particular point right here. Say okay. So I feel this is okay right now. I'm better with this. Now linear sketch pattern, reduce this to 1 and then come right here to the x-axis and make this 3. Okay, let's make it 4. Entities to pattern, pick this. Okay, let's make this 3. Pick this, and also pick this particular one. Say okay. So as you can see, you have a full set of buttons on your remote actually. So now let's come right here to the straighted slot that we picked earlier, and let's draw a slot that looks like this. 180 degrees. Say okay. Now our smart dimension, I have a smart dimension that runs from here to here. It's going to be 10. And also one that runs from here to here, which is going to be just 3 millimeters. Okay. Now you can just draw it a little bit and put it somewhere around this particular point. Say okay. And also from here right here to this particular point, make it exactly 4. Say okay. And from this particular point, okay, now let's mirror entities. Entities to mirror is going to be this. Mirror about our center line. Say okay. Now you can see you have your full set of buttons on your remote control. This is exactly what you have, or what you should have. Now, come right here to features and click on extrude cuts. We're extruding our cuts by a distance of about 1 millimeter, if I'm right. Yes, 1 millimeters. Say okay, so you have an extruded cut of 1 millimeters. Now pick this particular surface and click sketch. Let's make it normal too. Sorry, it should be now. Okay, sorry. Come right here to front plane and click sketch. Now let's pick up our center rectangle and draw a center rectangle that runs like this. Now smart dimension of this is going to be 55. And you can just push this up a little bit. Okay, 55. And okay, let's make this 45. Okay. So also make sure you add the dimension of 4 millimeters to this particular edge. Say okay. Now fillets, add a fillet of 5 millimeters to this particular edge. These edges, they deserve a fillet of. You have to put a fillet of 5 millimeters. Say okay. And now come right here to features. Come right here to curves. And come right here to split line. And this surface, you're going to pick this particular surface. Say okay. So you can see you have like a cut to where you're going to put the battery of whatever. I mean your what's it called? Your remote control. That's where you're going to put the battery of your remote control. That's going to be like a cut through. Yeah, a cut through. Sorry, I made a mistake earlier. Okay, pick this and then click on come right here to sketch. Click on convert entities. Okay, you should have this particular set of black dots. Say okay. Then come right here to features and then click on extrude boss base. Good. Now we have it ready. And then you have an extrusion distance of 2 millimeters. So you should have an extrusion distance of 2 millimeters. Then you have something that looks actually exactly like your remote control. Now pick up this and then come right here to appearances, rubber, make it this black color. Sorry, I have a mistake already. I'm trying to add appearance. It should not be rubber. Okay. Now come right here to cut extrude and boss extrude one. Yes, come right here to this and make this plastic. Let's make it a red plastic, or should we make it black? Let's make it black. Let's make it black. Okay, let's make it black. I'm thinking of making this red color. You can do whatever it is you want to do with it, but I am thinking of making it red color. Yes, so it looks kind of a little bit different. Also, this, let's make this whole thing. Let's make this whole thing black color. Let's make it black. You can do whatever it is that you want to do with it actually. It depends on you. And while I make this particular one, this set of buttons, I want to make them red in color. Yes, okay. So we have that already. So as you can see, you have different colors on it. Now you can pick this particular one. This one. Sorry. This. You can make it of a different color. I'm going to make it of a different color. You can do it whatever it is, like the way you want it to be. Let's make this color blue. So you have that already. This is blue. This is red. Let's make this green. Let's make this one green. Let's make this green. Say okay. Now let's make this one yellow. Let's make this one yellow. Let's make this yellow. Say okay. So now right now what you have is a remote control. You can twist it to whatever color that it is that you actually want. So it all depends on you. I'll see you guys on the next one.